good morning. This boy is eating. Boxing Day. He is wearing this again. Grabe, laba ko ng laba. Ayan na. Ang bacon. Paano yung daming oil, oh. Air fryer lang yan. Gamit namin is kusori. Ayan. May rice ba? Si Jim natutulog pa. Ayan. May rice na din. And then we have egg here. Ayan, oh. Okay. Guys, look how crispy, oh. Tama. Ooh, morning. We are going to Starbucks. Boxing Day ngayon. And gusto ni Jim ng Starbucks. Punta daw tayo Starbucks. Yes. So right now, hindi naman busy dito. Ano bang street to ngayon? Street na to? Sorry. Ellis. Hindi busy. So, baka everyone is at the outlet. Hindi naman kami nagbaboxing din. Dami-daming tao. And, usually online kami bumibili na. Sa Amazon or whatever. +1 today. Ayan o, nag-melt na. Grabe. Yung snow, agad-agad. Busy pa yung Starbucks. Ayan. Okay, sige, wait lang. Hi. Can I please get 2 grande caramel macchiato?
Grande hot caramel macchiato, sure.
With no foam, please.
Okay, anything else?
Hold on a sec. That's about it.
That's everything?
Yes.
Okay, Silvana, thank you.
Thank you. The sky, parang cloudy though. It's not busy. I'm surprised. Usually past years ng Boxing Day, that's traffic there. So maybe everyone nasa outlet silang lahat. Which is good. Hindi busy dito sa area namin. Oh, I said 2. 2
caramel macchiato?
Yes, yeah, 2 grande, yeah. Lagi silang namamali. Ano bang sabi ko? Sabi ko 2, diba? Wala. Hindi ko na alam. Yeah. I'll just tap. Guys, ang tagal nila. Dapat diba pag ano, more than 1 minute free na yung coffee. Thanks so much. You too. Dapat pala creme brulee, no? Sarap lang. God, sarap. Guys, pupunta tayo ng Asian store. It's called Young's dito. There's a lot na dito. Putik naman dyan. Ito na lang. Wala tayong katabi. Ito. Yan. Okay. Guys, bili tayo ng chicken. You still have chicken thigh? Like that chicken over there? How much is per, how much? Oh, like this one right here? This one? I was thinking, worth $20. Guys, tingin-tingin tayo ng sale. Okay, let's do a haul. Quick, quick grocery sa Young's. Kasi yung sakit na ng ulo ko. Shrimp. Ano ba to? Yung tempura. Onion. Zion's crackers. Ano ba to? Squash. Nagluluto ako ng ano ni Zion. Ulam namin bukas. Tapos longganisa lang. That's it. Okay. Guys, we're eating again. Morning na. Are you done na? Done? What do you say to mommy? Say thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Baba.
Gusto pa niya, guys. Ng longganisa. I can't even finish my food. Oh, here. I heard you burp na. Oh. Gusto pa niya. Hello. It's +3 and we are heading out. Me and Zion boy. Start natin yung car. Yan. Ay, naku tong batang to. Naka-double to, long sleeve. Yes? We're not bringing that. Okay guys, so we are going to sell these mga toys ni Zion na hindi niya na ginagamit and clothes. Yan. Tapos kung yung di nila kukunin, i-donate natin. Oh my gosh, ang clear ng road. Yeah, baby look, oh, wala na namang snow. Tapos lalamig na naman. So dito tayo magbebenta ng toys and mga old clothes niya na pinagpilian ko na hindi ko na ikikip para sa if ever next baby or something. Yan. Ayan, dito tayo magpark kasi dami ako. Ay, dito na lang. So, we got our stuff na. Yan. So, they took, ilang items ba yung kinuha nila? Ano ba sabi niya? 23 items. And we got $41. Tapos, punta tayo ngayon sa Value Village para drop tong mga kasi hindi naman na kailangan. Ayoko rin mag-hoard sa bahay. Ang dami ng gamit ni Zion. Let's put our money here. Ano to? Yung toothbrush niya. Tara. And then now, Value Village na tayo. Guys, may alam ba kayong mas magandang yung donation na hindi rin nila bebenta? Yung parang ano bang tawag doon? Non-profit. Kasi yeah, so ito yung routine ko. Daming para hindi wala masyadong gamit sa bahay. Okay, teams. Kailangan ko ng coffee.
We've got something wasted here.
Let's go, let's go.
Puddle full of webs.
Okay, ito na. Nag-rotate ako ng toys dito kay Zion. Yan. Dito na yung tools section niya. Itong random toys. Panglinis niya, vacuum, mower. Ayan. Kitchen. Ito. Yan. Ay, dusty pa ha. Switch. Ayan. Oh, put the wrapping in the garbage, Zion. Ayan ang reading corner niya. Tapos mga stuffed toys. And ito pa kailangan ko ayusin. Yan. Dito. You bless first, Lola. You bless. You bless.
Bless ka muna, Carbo.
You bless Lola first. You bless.
Bless kayo, ah. Bless you.
Bless Lolo.
Ayun.
Oh, you open your gift na.
Oh, let's go. Let's go kami. Dito tayo, dali. Oh, mag-sit down si
Oh,
Lola
yan na,
dito.
go.
Dali. Let's go. Ala? Ala, ano yun? Sorry. What is that?
Give mommy the cookie, the donut first. Here.
What is that, Soyun?
Give mommy the donut first. You can open it.
Ala.
Open.
Look at Soyun. What's there?
No, you open. You.
Help this one.
Wow.
Good job.
Can you say thank you? Zion, say thank you.
Ala, what the?
Wow. What's that? Wow.
Wow.
What do you say to Lola? You say thank you.
This one, Sayan. Sayan, come here. Sayan.
Wow,
Zion.
through the years.
Hello?
You say hello?
Sayan. Sayan, hello. Oh, so, yun